Here's some cargo cults trivia. Subscribe. What term refers to religious movements in Melanesia? Is it A, Shintoism, B, Zoroastrianism, C, cargo cults, or D, New Age? The correct answer is C, cargo cults. Which island was central to the John Frum movement? Is it A, Tanna, B, Fiji, C, Vanuatu, or D, Samoa? The correct answer is A, Tanna. Who is associated with the notion of cargo cults in the 1970s? Is it A, Bronislaw Malinowski, B, Clifford Geertz, C, Peter Worsley, or D, Margaret Mead? The correct answer is C, Peter Worsley. What item is often worshipped in cargo cults? Is it A, boat, B, cargo, C, money, or D, airplane? The correct answer is B, cargo. Which religious practice is common in cargo cults? Is it A, pilgrimage rites, B, sacrificial offerings, C, meditation practices, or D, rituals? The correct answer is D, rituals. What kind of leaders are often found in cargo cults? Is it A, politicians, B, prophets, C, shamans, or D, warriors? The correct answer is B, prophets. In which region did Melanesian cargo cults primarily develop? Is it A, Oceania, B, North America, C, Asia, or D, Europe? The correct answer is A, Oceania. What is a common message in cargo cults? Is it A, spiritual enlightenment, B, technological advancement, C, divine providence, or D, cultural superiority? The correct answer is C, divine providence. Which British anthropologist wrote about cargo cults? Is it A, Margaret Mead, B, Julian Stewart, C, Bronislaw Malinowski, or D, Edward Sapir? The correct answer is C, Bronislaw Malinowski. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.